In today's episode, we're going to try and drive the 51 Ford, so come along. Yeah, so we're gonna try taking this for a drive today. I just got done with a small test drive trying to go to the car show. Didn't go well, so insert clips here. Oh, that's not good. Think I lost the fuel line. Cool. These first drives are always a good one. Ooh, that's a lot of fuel. Wonder if it's coming out of that injector right there. Yeah, well, I got someone coming with a tow truck, so, well, a strap, like, yeah, so we'll just have to flat tow me somewhere safe and go from there. But, yeah, first drives, awesome. My rescue. This is a little sketchy with four-wheel drum brakes. I can't stop terribly great being towed like this, so we're just gonna creep on home. Crud. That sucks. I mean, thankfully it's nothing major. I'm gonna take a look at it when we get there real quick. But, alright. Well, I'll see you guys back when back at the shop. Ready?
Yep. Yep.
Out of that back injector?
Son of a bitch. No, third one back.
The third one back.
Third one back, top over and going into the fuel rail. Right here, she's just gushing down.
Okay. See, that one like looks up higher, so I assumed it was that one.
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
Cool. It's almost like these injectors aren't quite long enough. So what happened actually is the injector popped down into the intake and it was basically just leaking right out of here. So let's see if I can get some injector adapters to just kind of space them up a little bit. That should do it. All right, so here we're gonna go about and try and fix the Ford. Technically, I need a bracket that spaces this down, but it's like $200, and I really don't feel like spending that. So I'm actually just gonna zip tie the fuel injectors into the rail. They seated on the intake manifold, so we don't have a vacuum leak, and that should hold them up from the fuel pressure. And then we can deal with that bracket later, but let's get this fixed. Also, I noticed that I have a flat tire, so that's pretty cool. Well done. Yeah, so me and my daughter, we just got this all tightened up. I'm gonna run the zip ties, like I said, around here, up around the rail, and then see if it leaks. Well, it doesn't seem like we have any more leaks, so that should be good. I'm gonna pump up the tire. I think I'm getting pretty low on gas, so I'm gonna check that too. And then we'll take this for the second test drive and hopefully it all goes well. Yeah, I got cameras. I'm gonna set up cameras this time because that would have been hilarious to have cameras when it acted up. But yeah, let's do that and we'll go from there. Well, Found the issue. We got a little bit of a bead leak here. I'm gonna go up and get it sealed. Just kind of weird how it was fine and then it like leaked to empty in like a day. But we'll go get this taken care of. All right, so I just got the tire back. We just put some sealing compound on and reseated the bead. I'm gonna throw that on. I'm gonna put some gas in it, and we're gonna drive it to the shop, and hopefully it makes it. But yeah, I got cameras this time, so we'll record it if anything crazy happens. I doubt you'll be able to hear anything I say. I'll try talking, and if we can, maybe I'll put subtitles down. But yeah, let's do this. Alrighty. Well, yeah, she basically dumped all her fuel out when that injector popped, which I'm not really that surprised by. All right, I'm gonna set up the camera. I think we're pretty good to go here. Everything's looking good. Yeah, I'm a little apprehensive. My luck with vehicles lately hasn't been the greatest. So let's hope this works. All right. Right now, my shifter is just a vice grip, so if you see me leaning forward, I'm shifting. I don't have one of those made yet. But let's go for a drive. Gas leak. Ah, gosh, dang it. Yeah, well, I'm sure you can see up here, but I thought I smelled fuel, and yeah, it's... Unfortunately, that means this thing's not really safe to drive. So I'm gonna have to get it towed or something, but poop. Well, I paid for 2-day shipping, but they showed up next day. So I guess I should probably throw these in and see if we got a leak or anything like that. Well, that was a waste of money. They don't fit. So, I don't know. Unfortunately, I think that's where I'm gonna leave this video. I'm kind of sick of putting money into this car at this point, and this is really irritating me. So I'm gonna take a break from this and work on some other stuff and maybe come back to it. But as for right now, probably done with this for a little bit. But see you guys next video.